Hi, it's Marla from marlameredith.com, and today I'm making the most delicious vegan Thai chickpea curry. Great for Meatless Monday, and the added bonuses, I bet your kids will love it too. Mine do. First, I'm gonna go ahead and dice up a yellow pepper, and I have a cup of cherry tomatoes that I'm going to slice in half. They always say to eat the rainbow. Well, you're gonna get to eat the rainbow. So I've got a cup of diced red onions and 2 cloves of minced garlic, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw these into our pan with some coconut oil. And we'll just saute these for a few minutes, just so that they can soften and become fragrant. And I have a special guest here today. I have Bo Meredith, who loves to help mommy cook. So let's talk a second about rice. For this recipe, we want a really beautiful, fragrant rice, and my 2 choices are either basmati or jasmine. I've already cooked the rice, and you're gonna need 2 cups of dry rice for the recipe, and just follow the package directions to cook it properly. Now, our onions and garlic smell perfect, and we are gonna go ahead and put all the rest of the ingredients into the skillet. We're gonna start with sauteing the yellow pepper for a few minutes, just till it softens up a little bit. This meal comes together super quick. I promised you guys that. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our cherry tomatoes. Now we're gonna add a can of chickpeas. I've drained and rinsed these. Give it a quick stir. And now we're gonna go ahead and add a half a cup of coconut milk. You could either use the light coconut milk or the full fat one, it's your call. They both taste completely delicious. Mix that together. And then I have this awesome red Thai curry paste, which seriously is gonna make this recipe off the charts. It's what's gonna give it really all its flavor. So add about 2 tablespoons. I sometimes sneak in a little bit more because I like a little bit more heat. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it in. Mix everything till it's well combined. This sauce is gonna turn a really pretty, kind of orangey red color. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of cilantro. Give it a toss. So we're gonna bring it to a boil and then reduce to a simmer and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. We want both the tomatoes and the yellow peppers to be nice and soft. Well, that came together super quickly, and now it's time to eat, which I'm completely excited about. So now all you need to do is ladle some Thai curry over the top of that rice, and you are good to go. I love to add some fresh cilantro to mine. Get the entire recipe on marlameredith.com. Bon appetit.